Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Journey to Happy Life. Today I'm going to show you what I got from Armstrong. It's a nursery. They sell various flowers, vegetables, orchids, and other plants in their store. So I got this one this morning because I've been wanting to plant more tomatoes. Kasi yung tomato namin, yung isa malapit nang mamatay at yung isa palaging kinakain ng mga animals, like I think maybe raccoons or maybe mice and rats at night. So I like tomato, homegrown tomato. They're very delicious, juicy, and sweet at the same time. So as you can see here guys, I have several plants. This one here, I have the pepper chili basket on fire, and as you can see there are a lot of fruits and flowers already, and it's in this nice pot. I got this one for $6.99, and I'm going to transfer this one in a bigger pot since I have like a couple, like maybe three empty bigger pots right now that we get from our neighbor because they're going to throw it away. I have also these two different kinds of tomatoes. I have this one, it's called tomato midnight snacks. As you can see, the leaves in here are turning like purple, so that one guys is natural for this kind of tomato. It's already big. I cannot remember how much it is, maybe $6.99 as well. Yeah, is it $6.99? There's here in the tag. And I have also this other tomato. I don't know what's the name, variety of this tomato. This one, I think I'm going to plant that one on the ground. I have some space in here. I have this eggplant. It's called millionaire. So this one here, the leaves are, not like decent, but I think I can revive this one. And I have another, this is the long one, like the one that we usually have in the Philippines, kaya na parang ganito. I have also this other kind of eggplant. It's called Black Beauty. Ito yung round. At saka po, I have several kinds of cacti in here. So I have this one right here. It's called Little Warty Gasteria, and I have this one too. Like I have this beautiful succulent plants. I have this little one too. This little one is $3.49. They're very cute. And I have this other two. They're very cute as well. And I have also this one, the seeds. This one guys are flowers, so actually I'm going to send this one to the Philippines. And I have this celery. I've been looking for this one for a while. I prefer the one that's already grown, but unfortunately I couldn't find it in our local nursery. So bumili na lang ako ng buto. I have also cucumber. They don't have cucumber or the Armstrong is right now, but I'm just gonna try growing seeds from seeds. And I have also this eggplant as well. So ito guys, itong cactus, yung cacti ko is I will put that one in this pot. So this is one of the spots that our neighbor have thrown, and it's still in good condition. I'm just gonna clean this one. So okay guys, I will show you in a bit the finished product. I'm going to plant the cactus first, and then if I have time, because in about an hour I'm going to take my dog in the dog park. So if I have time, I'm going to plant. I'm also going to show you these plants that I have that I'm going to replant it in some areas or in a pot. So okay guys, I will see you in a bit, okay? So, ito yung kinalabasan guys after ko ma-transplant yung succulent plants. It looks so really cute. At saka, the tomato is here. The chili is here. And the other tomato is here. So, this is the one that I told you that turned for a little bit like darker or purple, which is normal. And this chili, I think it's called chili pepper. I think this one is really a good buy for $6.99, and it's already like a lot of fruits and flowers. Hopefully this one will grow healthy and produce more fruit. So okay guys, I hope you like my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, take care and bye.